Today we're going to show you a very easy, very healthy dessert. It's sugar-free. We're going to use Splenda. We're going to use full-fat yogurt and the berry of your choice, strawberry, blueberries. I've chosen blackberries today. They looked really nice at the supermarket, and lemon juice. First thing you do is you start with some Splenda. I'm going to use 5 packets today. If you want it a little sweeter, certainly feel free to put in more. A little less sweet, use less. We're going to take the juice from a whole lemon and put that in there. Just a little bit of salt. We're going to mix that up just a little bit. And then we're going to take our full-fat yogurt. You can use either 5% or 10%, depending upon your preference and whether or not you can find 10%. Obviously, if you can get it, that's going to be a little richer, a little better tasting, a little higher in fat content. And now just mix it up. I like to have a little fun when I'm doing this. When I serve it to my friends, I've asked many to try to guess what the cream is. No one's ever guessed yogurt. It's a great way to, maybe with kids, help them to be healthy. And then just give it a little topping. If you wanted to, you could even top it with a little granola. And there you have it. If you like it, please click like, subscribe, and if you'd like to see more, ring the bell.